Now, let's look at 5 questions here. Question 16 says that express the fraction or mixed number as a percent. So we want to change 4 and 1/10 this number as a percent. The meaning for the mixed number 4 and 1/10 is actually 4 plus 1/10. For the simplification, we write 4 and then 1/10. We know 1/10 is 1 divided by 10, which is 0.1. So 4 plus 0.1 is 4.1. And we change 4.1 to the percentage. That will be 1 point, this decimal point, 2 digits to the right, up to here. So then it's going to be 410 and then percent. So the answer would be this one. Second question, 17. We want to express this fraction as percent, and we want to round the answer to the nearest hundredth of a percent. We know 7 divided by 12. I have my calculator here. You may do 7 divided by 12. Hit enter. You have a 0.58 and then 3 repeating like this. If we want to change this number to the percent, as we did for this one, that will be 2 decimal digits to the right. And you get 58.333 and the 3 repeating. But since we are supposed to round our answer to the nearest hundredth, and here we want to look at this digit. This digit is 3, which is less than 5. We'll drop it. And we will get 58.33. Remember, here this position is 10th. This position is 100th. So that's why here we have 58.33%. This would be our choice right here. This one. Now, question 18. Question 18 is, what is the commission from the sale of this much, $820 worth of books, if the commission rate is 4%? We want to round our answer to the nearest cent. What's the meaning for 4% out of 820? That means we want to divide this 820 into 100 equal pieces, and then we take 4 pieces. So you multiply it by 4. And we know 4 divided by 100 is 0.04, which is actually the meaning. 4% is 4 divided by 100 is 0.04. So here, by this operation, we know is 4 times 820 divided by 100. And here is just 820 times 0.04. Again, we get our calculator out. We do is 820 and times 0.04. Then we get 32.8, which is this one, 32.8. Okay, so we may choose this answer. Okay, now let's look at question 19. Question 19 is, how much is 5% of 8 points? Or how much is 5% of $8? You know, if we just simply ask 5% of 8 points, we may not be able to calculate it. It doesn't make too much sense for choosing 5% out of 8 points. But it does make sense, or make more sense, is $8, you take 5%. How much is that money? Again, we got to use the meaning of the percent. $8, you divide $8 in 100 equal pieces. That's how much? That would be what? $0.08. That's actually 8 cents. $8 is 800 cents. You divide it by 100. So each equal piece is 8 cents. Then if you take 5 equal pieces, you multiply it by 5. So 5 times 8 is like 40 cents. So that's make more sense right here. Actually, mathematically, you do is 4 times 8 gives you 40. That's 40 cents. And then you divide it by 100. So you will get 0.40. All you do directly is 8 times 0.05, which will give you 0.40. It's like what? It's like you use 5 times 8 is 40. The decimal point was here. Then you have 2 digits right here, so you shift these digits 2 units to the left. You have to give them 2 digits. So the final answer is 0.4, or you may say $0.40. Everyone knows $0.40 is 40 cents. So this makes more sense. The answer is 0.4. That would be this one. So later on, if you were asked, if the question worth 8 points, then 5% is how many points? Is 0.4 points. Makes sense. All right. Here, find the sale price when the original price is this much, $98.20, and the discount rate is this much, 60%. So give the customer 60% discount means you will take the sale 40% out of the selling price, $98.20. So you may do it in this way, 100% subtract 60%, which is 40%. And then take 40% out of $98.20. So you simply do is multiply 98.20 and then times 0.4. So you then have the answer. So let's do that. You have a turn on the calculator, and then you have a 98.20. and then times 0.4, 0.4. So you have a $39.28. So that will be $39.28. And what's the answer? Right here. Okay. Yeah. The percentage actually makes sense. We wanted to understand why choose how many percent of a number is just to use the, for this one, 4%, you will use 0.04 times the original number. It's always multiplication, okay? Original number times the decimal, which is 2 digits of this number to the left, decimal number. Okay? All right. I'll see you next time.